Before we dive in, consider subscribing or liking this video if you're excited to learn about rapid weight loss strategies. You won't want to miss our future content. Today, we're talking about 10 proven strategies for rapid weight loss. Maintaining a healthy weight isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. It's about longevity, vitality, and living your best life. So, are you ready to embrace a healthier lifestyle and see results fast? Stay tuned to find out the first proven strategy for rapid weight loss. Starting off with strategy number 1, it's intermittent fasting. This isn't just a fancy term, it's a proven method to kickstart weight loss. So, what is intermittent fasting? It's an eating pattern where you alternate between periods of eating and fasting. It's not about what you eat, but when you eat. The science behind it is fascinating. When you fast, your body shifts from using glucose as its primary energy source to using stored fat. This process, known as ketosis, can lead to rapid weight loss. But remember, it's essential to do it safely. You might start with a 16-hour fast, eating only within an 8-hour window each day. Always listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional before starting any new dietary regimen. The benefits? Improved metabolic health, increased longevity, and of course, weight loss. And the best part? It's entirely free. Moving on, strategy number 2 is equally impressive. Next up, high-intensity interval training, also known as HIIT. This is a workout strategy that alternates between short, intense bursts of exercise and brief recovery periods. Imagine sprinting for 30 seconds, then walking for a minute and repeating. That's the essence of HIIT. What makes HIIT so effective? It's all about the afterburn effect, or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. This means your body continues to burn calories at a higher rate even after you've finished your workout. Plus, HIIT workouts are usually shorter, ideal for those with a tight schedule. So how can you incorporate HIIT into your routine? Start with a warm-up, then alternate between high and low-intensity exercises. For example, you could alternate between sprinting and walking, or do high knees followed by a slow march. Remember to cool down afterward. HIIT is a potent strategy for rapid weight loss that can be adapted to suit any fitness level. Now let's head to strategy number 3. Our third strategy is all about sugar, or rather, reducing sugar intake. The truth is, sugar can be a major roadblock on your journey to rapid weight loss. It's not just the calories, but also how your body processes these sweet seducers. They can cause blood sugar spikes and crashes that leave you feeling hungry again way too soon. Now beware of hidden sugars. They lurk in places you'd never expect, like salad dressings, bread, and even healthy snacks. Keep an eye out for words like fructose, dextrose, and maltose on ingredient lists. They're all aliases sugar uses to sneak into your diet. So how can you reduce your sugar intake effectively? Start by swapping out sugary drinks with water or unsweetened beverages. Choose whole foods over processed ones. And remember, it's not about cutting sugar out completely, but about making smarter choices. Ready for strategy number 4? Here it is. Strategy number 4 is as simple as it is effective: drinking more water. Water is the unsung hero of weight loss. It aids digestion, boosts metabolism, and even acts as a natural appetite suppressant. When our bodies are well hydrated, they function at their peak, helping us burn calories more efficiently. So, how much water should we drink? A good rule of thumb is to aim for at least 8 glasses per day. But remember, your body's hydration needs can vary depending on factors like activity level and climate. But what if you're not a big fan of plain water? Don't worry, there are plenty of ways to increase your intake. Infuse your water with fruits, herbs, or even a splash of juice for a flavorful twist. Or eat water-rich foods like cucumbers and watermelons. Remember, staying hydrated is not just about drinking when you're thirsty. It's about making water a part of your daily routine. Next, we have another powerful strategy. Strategy number 5 might surprise you. It's getting enough sleep. Sleep is often overlooked in the weight loss conversation, but it's crucial. When your body is well rested, it functions optimally, including your metabolism. Furthermore, lack of sleep can lead to increased hunger and cravings, making it harder to stick to a healthy diet. Quality sleep is just as important as quantity. You should aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful, uninterrupted sleep each night. Improve your sleep hygiene by creating a serene sleep environment. Darken your room, keep it cool, and limit exposure to electronic devices before bedtime. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule can also help regulate your body's clock, leading to better sleep over time. Incorporate relaxation techniques such as meditation or reading a book to unwind before bed. Remember, A well-rested body is more equipped to lose weight and maintain a healthier lifestyle. Halfway through, let's reveal strategy number 6. Our 6th strategy is a dietary one: eating more protein. Now you might be wondering, why protein? Well, protein is a powerhouse when it comes to weight loss. Not only does it help you feel full and satisfied, but it also revs up your metabolism. When your body digests and metabolizes protein, it burns more calories than it does while breaking down fats and carbs. So, how can you incorporate more protein into your meals? It's easier than you think. You can start your day with a protein-packed breakfast, like an omelet or Greek yogurt. For lunch and dinner, lean meats, fish, and plant-based proteins like beans and lentils are excellent choices. But how much protein should you be consuming daily? Health experts recommend that an average sedentary woman should eat about 46 grams, and an average sedentary man should eat about 56 grams of protein per day. Let's move on to strategy number 7. Strategy number 7 involves the mind as much as the body: mindful eating. Mindful eating is a practice that emphasizes the importance of being present and fully attentive during meals. It's about appreciating the colors, smells, textures, and flavors of your food, recognizing your hunger and fullness cues, and eating without distraction. So, why is this beneficial? When we eat mindfully, we allow our bodies to properly digest and absorb nutrients, leading to better health. It also helps us to enjoy our food more and, interestingly, to eat less. How can you practice it? Start by eliminating distractions during meal times. Yes, that means putting away your phone. Focus on the food in front of you. Take small bites, chew slowly, and savor each mouthful. Remember, it's not just about eating less, it's about enjoying more. So as you can see, mindful eating is not a diet, but a way of life. Let's step into strategy number 8. Our 8th strategy is all about reducing stress. You see, stress is more than just a feeling. It's a physical response that can lead to weight gain. When we're stressed, our bodies release a hormone called cortisol. Elevated cortisol levels can increase our appetite, leading us to consume more calories than we need. So, how can we manage stress and keep our weight in check? First, consider incorporating mindfulness techniques into your daily routine. This could be as simple as taking a few minutes each day to breathe deeply and focus on the present moment. Next, we can't talk about stress reduction without mentioning the importance of regular exercise. Not only does it help burn calories, but it also releases endorphins, our body's natural mood boosters. Lastly, never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Restful sleep can help regulate hormones that control appetite, making it easier to resist unhealthy cravings. Almost there, let's check out strategy number 9. Strategy number 9 is a classic: regular exercise. It's a tried and true method, and here's why. Regular physical activity is essential for maintaining a healthy weight. It helps burn the excess calories that can't be cut through diet alone. Now you might be wondering, what kind of exercises are we talking about? Well, it could be anything, from brisk walking to cycling, swimming, or even dancing. It doesn't have to be high intensity. It just needs to get your heart rate up. Starting a workout routine might seem daunting, but remember, it's all about taking that first step. Start slow and gradually increase your pace. Before you know it, you'll be looking forward to your workouts. Regular exercise not only aids in weight loss, but also improves overall health, boosts mood, and increases energy levels. So, lace up your sneakers and get moving. Finally, we have arrived at our last strategy. Our 10th and final strategy is key to all the others: consistency. Imagine weight loss as a garden. You can have the best seeds, the richest soil, and the most optimal conditions. But without regular watering, your garden will never bloom. In the same way, your weight loss journey requires consistent nurturing. Consistency is not about perfection. It's about making small, sustainable changes and sticking with them, day in and day out. It's about setting realistic goals and celebrating small victories. Remember, it's okay to have off days. What matters is getting back on track, not giving up. Motivation can be a fleeting feeling, so don't rely on it. Instead, build habits. Habits are what keep you going when motivation wanes. Use tools like a food diary or a fitness tracker. Join a supportive community. Whatever it takes to keep you consistent. That wraps up our 10 proven strategies for rapid weight loss. So there you have it, 10 proven strategies for rapid weight loss. From the benefits of intermittent fasting to the power of high-intensity interval training, reducing sugar intake, staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, eating more protein, practicing mindful eating, managing stress, maintaining regular exercise, and the importance of consistency. These strategies, when combined, can have a significant effect on your weight loss journey. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more content like this. Remember, your health is in your hands.